capital letters? In identifiers, can I write capital letters? Yes. Can I write small letters? Can I write digits? Yes or no? These all you have to remember concepts. Okay. In identifier, can I write capital letters, small letters, digits? How many symbols we can write? 2 symbols. What are those? Dollar underscore. Can we write space? No. Okay. Length of the identifier. Is there any limit? Unlimited. There is no limit. First letter. Can I write alphabet? Can I write underscore? Can I write dollar? Can I write digit? No. Okay. So only 2 symbols. Underscore, dollar. These 2 allowed. Okay. Digit allowed, but as a first letter, not allowed. As a first letter. Space bar, tab, enter key, spaces, not allowed. Keywords, can we write in capital letters? No. All keywords must be small letters only. Small letters only. How many keywords presently not in use? 2 keywords. What are those? Constant and go to keywords, not in use. Can we write keyword as an identifier? Can we write? No. Literals. How many categories of literals? 6. What is the first one? Integer literal. Second one, floating point literal. Third one, character literal. Fourth one, string literals. Fifth one, Boolean literal. Sixth one, object literal. How many Boolean literals? 2. What are those? True and false. How many object literals? 1. What is that? Null. True, false, null. Are these keywords? No. Can we write as identifier? No, we should not write. Okay. Keyword, we cannot write as an identifier. Literals, 3 literals, we should not write as identifiers. Data types, how many categories? 2 categories. What are those? Primitive data types, reference data type. How many primitive types are there? 8. Are these keywords? Yes. What are those? Byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, Boolean. 8 data types. Okay. Total 8 data types. How many type conversion possibilities are there? 56. How many not possible? 14. Which are 14? Boolean cannot be converted to other types. Other types cannot be converted to Boolean type. How many done by system? 19. How many must be done by programmer? 23. Okay. These all you studied yesterday. Now, no need to write. Already yesterday you written examples. Just I'll ask question, give me answer. Just I'll ask questions, give me answer. Double A equal to 5.39. Double A equal to 5.39. Now, here integer P equal to A. System.out.println P. Valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? Not valid. Okay. A which type? Double type. B which type? Integer type. A is a double type. B is a integer type. Double to, it is double to integer or integer to double? It is double to integer. It is double to integer. It comes under 19 conversion or 23 conversion? 23 conversion. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. That's what not valid. Okay, not valid. No need to write, already written examples. Now, if I give some little bit different, you can write. See, okay, some more examples also I'll give. How many examples completed yesterday? 10. 10 completed, no? Sub 11th one. Now, 11th one I'll give. Uh, 11th one. Character A equal to small a. character a equal to small a, integer b equal to in the brackets integer a. Now system dot out dot println b. Is it valid or not valid? Valid? Sure. A which type? Character type. Myself, I converted to which type? Integer type. Actually, character to integer comes under 19 or 23? 19. Is it explicit type conversion required? No, it is not required. If you convert also, nothing will happen. So actually, if I remove this, valid or not valid? If I add this, valid. It is not required. If you convert also valid. Okay. Now, it is valid. What is the output comes? 97. Because small letter a, 97. Write this one. Output 97. So here A is a character type. Forcibly I converted to integer type, then assigned. Okay. Output 97. Because already you studied only three ASCII numbers you have to remember. What are those? 48. 48 means 0. 65 means capital A. 97 means these three, if you remember, remaining you can give answer. So 48 0, 49 1, like that you can give answer here up to 57, here up to 90, up to 122. Capital letter, small letter, you can give answer. These three, if you remember, enough. Okay. Now 12th one. Boolean A equal to true. Boolean A equal to true. Integer B equal to A. Here explicitly myself I'll convert. Is it valid? Not valid. So Boolean cannot be converted to other types. Other types cannot be converted to Boolean type. Error. Boolean cannot be converted to other types, and other types cannot be converted to Boolean type. So these are just Java fundamentals, basics, very basics. Okay. Boolean A equal to true, int B equal to int of A, system dot out dot println B. Boolean cannot be converted to other types, and other types cannot be converted to Boolean type. So it's an error. Now, actually, total 56. 56 implicit type you can write. 56 explicit type you can write. Total 112 code snippets you can write. With implicit, with explicit. Total 112 we can write. This type of code snippets, 112. 112 code snippets we can write. But you learn 12 only. Remaining 100, can you give answer or not? Possible, no? If I give any other code snippet, you can give answer. It is possible. See, 112 possible writing code snippets. 56 implicitly we can write. 56 explicitly we can write. Total 112 code snippets comes. Out of 112, only 12 you studied. Remaining 100, which are valid, which are not valid, you can give answer. It is possible. So like this only, if you learn up to last class, any Java program you can write. 100-line program also, 1000-line program also. You can write. If you dedicate, if you put efforts, if you work hard, same interest you have to show up to last class. Then you can reach your target. Okay. Now, next concept we'll see. Next concept, operations. Operations on data. Operations on data. Present only addition. Remaining operations later. Operations on data. Operations on data, we'll see. Here also one small chart is there. The chart I'll explain. Okay. Now I'll explain. Listen with concentration. I'll give it time for writing. First listen. First listen. See. Here. Byte. Short. Int. Char. In these 4 data types, don't write. I'll give it time for writing. First listen. Listening is important. Byte, short, int, char. 4 data types I given. In these 4 data types, any one data type plus again 4 data types. In these 4, any one. Now, here you observe byte, short, int, char. In these 4 data types, any one data type plus in these 4 data types, any one data type, the result always integer. That means byte plus byte, result is integer. Byte plus short, result is integer. Byte plus int, result is integer. Byte plus char, result is integer. Short plus byte, result is integer. Like that, 16 operations. Okay. So 4 into 4, 16. 16 operations. So with these 4 operations, like that. So here 4 into 4, 16 operations. Again, here if you do reverse also, like that also same result. Now, in these 4 data types, any one data type, in these 4 data type, any one data type, if you add, result always integer type generated. Okay. Now, second one. Same byte, short, int, one data type extra added. What is it? Long. Plus long. Result always long. Okay. Then byte plus long, result long. Short plus long, long. Int plus long, long. Long plus long, long. Char plus long, long. Even long plus byte also long only. Byte plus long, long. Or long plus byte, long only. Like that. So 5 plus 5, 10 operations. Reverse also if you add. Now, byte, short, int, long. One more data type added, float. Plus float. Result always float. It is very easy to remember. You observe, these all in different books, different type of years. At last subject is same. At last subject is same. So this chart very easy to understand. But different books, different author, different type they given. At last subject is same. But easiest way to understand this chart. Okay. Say in these 4 data types, any one data type, in these 4 data types, any one data type, if you add, result always integer. In these 5 data types, any one data type plus long, result always long. In 6 data types, any one data type plus float, always float. Okay. So online students, listen the class, write the notes, listen the class and write the notes. Okay. See, these notes I'll share in Google Classroom also. Google Classroom also I'll share. Just 1-2 days you wait. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, they are going to change their Zoom ID also. with that Zoom ID, and online student will get a Zoom ID and Google Classroom link. Offline student will get a Google Classroom link. Okay. That is with the Zoom ID, they'll change, as well as Google Classroom link also they'll provide. At the time, you'll get it. Then I'll share notes in Google Classroom. You can see PDF files I'll share. Okay. Now, but running notes also write it better. Byte, short, int, long, float, double. One more, char. Here additional data type, double. Result always double. Result always double. Here also Boolean not possible. Boolean plus byte error. Okay, these are not possible. Boolean not involved here. Now, just these 4 statements, 4 lines, if you remember, you can give answers. It is possible. Now, here also, only 3 I'll explain. Remaining all possible. Okay. Like this up to last class. But you should not stop your efforts. Whatever showing today interest, you have to show the same interest up to last class. Then you will be able to write any Java program. Okay. Say, in software companies also, programming more growth will be there. Programming side. Say, many people, they are unable to write program. That's what they are selecting tools. Some tools also, many softwares are there. No? Like single line code also no need to write. Point and click, drag and drop. That type softwares also are there. But growth will not be there. Programming side only more growth. Okay. That's what, put efforts, work hard. You will reach your target. You will enjoy your job also. If you are perfect in subject. Okay. Now, these 4 lines, if you remember, you can give answers. Okay. Now, it is very easy to remember. That's that style I prepared. You observe about this one, about yesterday chart, you check it in books, different type appears. Different books, different types appears. It is easiest way I prepared. Okay. Say, first you remember these 4 data types. Same 4, result integer. For that, just add long. Again long. Add float. Double. That's it. Easy to remember. How to remember also I'm explaining. Okay. How to remember also I'm explaining. So the chart I'm giving, how to remember also I'm explaining. Same style, my way of coding I'll teach. Then any program you can write. Okay. Write this one now. Write this one. Write this operations on data. Online students, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, they are going to change the Zoom link. Okay. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, they are going to change the link. Just go through admission process to get a new link. But every class important only. If you miss one class, next class you may not understand. Because logical part. If you did theory, you'll understand. Only logic means not easy. You need to put efforts. Unnecessary subject, no need to learn. Whatever required to get a job, on that you focus. You'll reach your target. Subject is very vast. Only core Java 2 years also I can teach. But your target is you want to get a job. If you want to do research in Java, learn 2 years also. But your target is research. Your target is not research. In a short period, it's enough. What I am going to cover in 75 days, it is enough. More than enough. Okay. Now, this chart, remember, it is most important. Software company written test question, these all. Is it over? Now I'll give examples. Say examples. Examples. See, listen with more concentration. Only three I'll explain. Only three. Fourth one only I'll ask question. You have to give the answer. Only three code snippets I'll explain. Fourth code snippet only you have to give the answer. First one, you observe. Byte A equal to 5. Byte B equal to 3. Byte C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. It is on code snippet. This is many times, many interviews, many written tests, they asked this question. Many interviews, many written test question this is. Many times this is they asked. You observe. You observe. Byte C equal to A plus B. Okay. Byte C equal to A plus B. In this line, operation is there. In this line, operation is there. Okay. Now, here A which type? Byte type. A is a byte type. B which type? B also byte type. Okay. B also byte type. Now, byte plus byte. Result which type? Integer type. So, byte plus byte result generated integer type. Integer here. Integer assigned to C. C which type? Byte type. Integer to byte. It is comes under 19 or 23. Not only this chart, that chart also required. Okay, that chart also required. Now, A which type? Byte type. B which type? Byte type. Byte plus byte which type? Integer. Integer assigned to which type? Byte type. Is it comes under 19 or 23? 23. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. That's what it is error. That's what it's an error. But this one, majority student, they written 5 plus 3, 8 only. Majority students. Because what they'll think, it is byte, it is byte, it is byte. All within the range only. Like that, they'll think majority people write 8 only. This question repeatedly that they're asking. Many written test question. Many software company exams, they're asking this question. BTech 90%. That person also written 8 only. That is happening. BTech with 90% score. Those people also writing 8. It's happening. Write this one. Write this code snippet. Write this explanation also. Then easily understand with that explanation. So A is a byte type, B is a byte type, byte plus byte, integer type, result integer type, integer if you assign to byte, error comes. Okay. See. So explicit
First
type
of all,
conversion
what is
required
full
for this.
stack Java? What
Because
is
it comes
Java?
under
Yesterday's
23
core
conversions.
Java. What is
Yesterday
advanced
it comes
Java?
under
These all
23
are straight to
conversions.
full stack
See.
Java developer program.
See, yesterday given about full stack Java. Here, total 5 modules will be there. Java modules, database modules, and testing modules. UI modules, development, security, operations modules. Is it over? Okay. This say A is a byte type. See, 3 code snippets only I'll teach. While teaching, listen with more concentration. 4th code snippet, I'll ask question. Okay. That's what. Listen with more concentration. 3 code snippets only I'll teach. 4th one, I'll ask question. You have to give the answer. A which type here? Byte type. B which type? Byte plus byte which type? Integer assigned to which type? Byte. Is it comes under 19 conversion or 23? 23. That's what it is an error. That's what it is an error. Okay. Now I'll give one more. See. Don't write. I'll give a time for writing. Byte A equal to 5. Byte A equal to 5. Byte B equal to 3. Byte C equal to, in the brackets byte, after that A plus B. System dot out dot println C. If I write, listen. Yeah, it is also error. See, I'll explain. You have seen here A plus introduction
B.
to Java. Now
That is your same.
listen with more
Now, today
concentration.
onwards,
Don't discuss
I'll
with your
start
friends.
logical
See,
programming.
First,
For
A
that,
which type?
First
Already
of all,
explained.
you
A
should
which
know
is
some
Java.
what is
A
core
is a
Java,
byte
advanced
type.
Java, and full
But
stack
if you
Java.
write
These
like
all.
this, what will happen? This A only converted to byte. Again, it's already byte. Again, converted to which type? Byte only. It is byte. Okay. Here B which type? B also byte type. Again byte plus byte result which type? Again integer coming. So it is first conversion done, later operation done. Integer assigned to byte. Again it is error only. Actually, here what is happened is A only converted to byte. A plus B result we have to convert. But what is converted? A. But A already byte. A already byte. A plus B result we have to convert to byte. But first what is happened? A is a byte type. Byte converted to byte. Again byte only comes. B byte type. Byte plus byte. Result integer type. Integer assigned to byte. So again error. So here result of A plus B we have to convert. Result how to convert? For that one also one bracket required. After addition we have to convert. Before addition only converted, that is. Okay. That's what. Listen with more concentration. Here A which type? Byte type. Byte converted to which type? Then again byte. B which type? Byte plus byte which type? Integer assigned to which type? Byte. Again error. Okay. Result of A plus B we have to convert to byte. But what is converted here? A only converted. Write this one also. Just one more I'll explain. After that I'll ask questions. Okay. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, they'll change the Zoom ID. While changing Zoom ID, they'll create Google Classroom link. That link I'll share. Then you'll get a notes. PDF formats, I'll share notes in Google Classroom. Just 1-2 days you wait. Just maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You'll get a link. Is it over? So if you write like this, what will happen? Only this A converted to byte, but A already byte converted to byte only. Again, after that addition done. After that addition, if it is done, what will happen? Integer comes. Integer, if you assign to byte, error comes. Is it completed? I'll give one more. Third one. After that, I'll ask question. You have to give answer. Okay. Now third one, little bit change here. For this one also, I'm writing brackets. Okay. Now you observe byte C equal to in the brackets byte in the brackets A plus B. I written. Here A which type? Byte type. B which type? Byte type. Byte plus byte which type? Integer type. Byte plus byte integer type. Integer converted to explicitly which type? Byte. So we got a byte. This byte assigned to which type? Byte. So it is valid. Now you will get output 8. Now this output is 8. Now this output is 8. Okay. A is a byte type. B is a byte type. Byte plus byte result integer type. Integer explicitly converted to byte type, then assigned. That is the reason it is valid. Okay, that is the reason it is valid. Write this third one. Next one, I'll ask questions, you have to give answer. Okay. Now it is possible. With these 3 logical code snippets knowledge, you can give answers. It is possible. Is it completed? So A which type here? Byte. B which type? Byte. Byte plus byte result which type? Integer. Integer explicitly converted to which type? Byte. Byte assigned to which type? Byte. Is it valid? Valid. Then output 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Now I'll ask questions. You have to give the answer. Is it completed writing? No. Now see, already 3 examples completed. Fourth one. I am writing fourth one. See, char A equal to capital A. Okay. Don't write. First give a write. Don't write. Just listen and give answer. Char A equal to capital A. Okay. Byte B equal to 3. Integer C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. First, is it valid or not valid? Think yourself and give answer. Valid or not valid? How many people answer valid? Just raise your hand. Online students, how many people answer valid? Just raise your hand. Okay. How many people answer not valid? Don't see the majority. Your answer, you give answer. Okay. Sometimes majority will give wrong answer. That is I'll prove. Just after 1 week I'll prove. Majority also will give wrong answers. I'll show you. This is beginning. Okay. Online students. Okay. See here int C equal to A plus B. A plus B. Here A which type? A which type? Character type. B which type? B which type? Byte type. So character plus byte. It is character plus byte. Result which type? Integer type. This result is integer type. Integer assigned to which type? Integer type. That's what valid. What will be the output? 68. Because capital A nothing but 65 plus 3, 68. We are printing integer format. That's what number only printed. Output 68. Okay. See, while giving an answer, don't see the majority. Okay. Majority also will give wrong answer. Don't depend on majority people answer. Whatever you know, that is give answer. And also while asking question, don't discuss with your friends. If you discuss, what will happen? Your answer valid will be there. Your friend answer invalid will be there. Okay. After discussing, what will happen? One person will compromise with one answer. Both will give same answer. Either valid or not valid, they'll give. Then what will happen? Your thinking may be right. After discussing with your friend, you change your answer. That will be happen. That is the reason. While asking question, don't discuss with your friends. Whatever you know, that is give answer. So A is a character type, B is a byte type, character plus byte result integer type, integer assigned to integer, that's what valid. So output is 68. Output is 68. Okay. Is it over? Now one more I'll give. Is it completed? No. One more I'll give. Fifth one. Say char A equal to small a. Char A equal to small a. Here. Float P equal to 5.94 F. Okay. Next. Char C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. Valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? How many people answer not valid? Just raise your hand. Okay. Online students, how many plans are not valid? Okay. How many people answer valid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Online students? Okay. Say here. Here A which type? B which type? Character plus float. Result which type? Float assigned to which type? Float to character comes under 19 or 23? 23. That's what error. Not valid. It's an error. Right, Isa? It is an error. Not valid. So A is a character type, B is a float type, character plus float, result to float type, float assigned to character. Comes under 23 conversion. That's what error. Not valid. Okay. Is it completed? Now, here, just little bit I'll change. It is sixth one. Here, in the brackets, I'll write char. Valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? Not valid. How many plans are not valid? Okay. Say majority giving right answers, no? Possible. If you put efforts, if you work hard, it is possible. So it is not valid. A which type here? A is a character type. Character converted to again character only. Character plus float. Float. Float assigned to character. Again same error. Right this one. It is also error. So every day I'll interact with you like this only. You have to respond, you have to give answers. And also already told you assignments I'll share in Google Classroom. Assignments. 1 week time I'll give. Assignment also you have to complete. Already told you exams also I'll conduct. Okay. That is sudden test. I won't inform. When I am going to conduct, I won't inform. One day sudden test will be there. At that time, you have to write exam compulsory. then only you'll get a skills, logical skills, programming skills, these all. But only I'm teaching, you are watching means you will not get a subject. Okay. Exams I'll conduct and assignments I'll share. Then only you will get a skills. If you want to be in the software company, logical skills, programmatic skills required, not theory. Okay. Programming related theory required. Suppose encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, overloading, overriding, this type of theory will be there. That theory required. That is object-oriented programming. That theory most important. Okay. Unnecessary theory, no need to learn. Is it over? No. Now, seventh one, I'll write brackets for this. Is it valid or not valid? Is it valid? A which type? Char type. B which type? Float type. Character plus float which type? Float explicitly converted to which type? Then assigned to which type? Valid. What will be the output? This small a value 97, 5.94, 102.94, 0.94 truncated, 102, 102 character printed. 102 character is 97 small a, 98 small b, 99 small c, 100 small d, 101 small e, 102 small f. So output is f. Output is small f. Write this one. Output is small f. One more time. Okay. So here A which type? Character type. B which type? Float type. Character plus float which type? Float type. Float explicitly converted to which type? Character. Character assigned to which type? It is valid. But while adding, what will happen? Small a number 97 plus 5.94. 97 plus 5.94. 102.94. 0.94 decimal part truncated. It will not come. 102. 102 stored. 102 stored here. But we are printing char format. Character format means character printed. 102 means f. Okay. Output small f. See, only 3 I taught. Remaining 4 I asked. Majority giving right answers. No. Possible. Okay. It is possible. Like if majority giving wrong answer means I'll take more examples. Now present majority giving right answer because fundamentals. Next topic majority will give wrong answer. Then I'll take some more examples also. Object oriented programming not easy. You need to put efforts because total core Java object oriented programming very depth knowledge required. Encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, these all very depth required, not definitions. Okay. If I show one project, in that project, where is encapsulation also you have to identify. Where we have to use encapsulation also you should identify. That type knowledge required. Okay. At the time, you need to put more efforts. Present easy appears. Later, you have to put efforts. Okay. You have to dedicate. Then only you'll understand. Is it clear? So here A is a character type, B is a float type, character plus float result float type, float explicitly converted to character, then assigned, valid. But 97 plus 5, 102, this 0.494 truncated. So 102 number, 102 character F. That's what output is F. Little bit I'll change. 8th one. Give me answer. Any confusion is there? Valid or not valid? How many plans are not valid? Okay, think first of all, think yourself. Think yourself. Take your own time, but think yourself. Confusion started. I given time for thinking, not for discussions. In interview, no one will be there, no? In interview written test, your friend will be there. At the time, how do you give answer? I given time for thinking, not for discussion. If you discuss, you will lose. Already told example. See, your answer valid, your friend answer not valid. After discussion, what will happen? Either you will change the answer or your friend will change the answer. Both will give one answer. Your answer may be right. After discussing with your friend, you will change the answer. Because definitely one person will compromise. Okay? Then your thinking may be right. After discussing with your friend, your answer is changed. You will give a wrong answer. That's what don't think. Think. Don't discuss with your friend. Okay? After completion of the class, what you understood, what your friend understood, discuss. You'll get a more knowledge. But listen the class, here think yourself. Your answer can be right or wrong. If it is wrong answer also, nothing will happen. No? I'm not giving any marks. Just logical thinking will be improved. Now, how many people answer valid? How many people answer valid? Okay. Online students, how many people answer valid? Next. How many people answer not valid? Okay. I observed 5-6 members I observed not given answer. But more than 5 will be there. I observed 5 members not given answer. What is your answer? No answer I don't accept. You have to think. I observed 5-6 members, but more than that will be there. Think yourself. Your answer wrong also, nothing will happen. See. Here. A which type? B which type? Here. First float converted to character. So here A is a character. B also becomes character. Character plus character. Character plus character. Integer. Integer assigned to it comes under 19 or 23. That's what error. Not valid. I'll give here one more time. I'll explain. Listen, listen. Those who didn't understand, listen. Those who didn't understand, listen. Now, here B which type? B which type? Float. Float converted to which type? Float converted to character. So this is character. Here A which type? Char type. Character plus character which type? Integer type. So 1 minute. Here I given valid. Char C equal to A plus char B. B which type? Float type. Float converted to which type? Char type. A which type? Char type. Character plus character which type? Integer type. Integer assigned to which type? It comes under 19 or 23. That's what error. Ready, son? Error. It is an error. So first B converted to character, then addition done. Result assigned to character. That's what an error. Any difficulty is there to learn like this? Like only teaching, watching, it is better appears, no? Any difficulty is there like learning like this? Any difficulty? Even if you feel difficulty also, you have to learn like this only. If you want to get a job, you have to learn like this only. Okay? Any other style, if you learn, time waste, money waste. You have to learn like this only. Even if you feel difficult also, learn like this one. Any other style, if you learn, time waste, money waste. Because software company conducting exams like this only. Later interview purpose, object-oriented programming. Later application part after exception handling. Later developing project, advanced Java, J2EE, that is comes. Then only you can survive in software company. All if you learn. Okay? Put efforts, work hard. If you don't understand, ask me once again, I'll explain. But you have to learn. Okay? See, here A plus character B. Here first conversion done or addition done? First B converted to char. B which type? Float. Converted to which type? Char. Then operation. Character plus character, integer. Assigned to char. It's an error. Okay. One more I'll give. Is it completed writing? No. Ninth one. Valid or not valid? Think yourself and give answer. Valid? Valid or not valid? How many plans are valid? Okay. Online students. How many plans are not valid? I observed a few people not give an answer. Think yourself. Your answer can be right or wrong. Nothing will happen. Try to give answer. Try to give answer. Here, here, B which type? Float. Float converted to which type? Character plus character which type? Integer assigned to which type? Valid. Okay. So those who didn't understand, listen. Here, B which type? B which type? Float. Float converted to which type? Char type. A which type? Char type. Char plus char which type? Integer type. Integer assigned to which type? Integer type. So it is valid. What will be the output? What will be the output? 1 or 2. Not done? If you are printing integer format, ASCII number printed. If you are printing character format, ASCII character printed. So that is 1 or 2 printed now. We are printing C value. C which type? Integer type. That's what? Number printed. Okay. Is it over? Now, if I give any other code snippet, can you give answer or not? Possible now? Now, this is 9th one or 10th one? 9th one, you know? Okay. One more, I'll give last one. Is it completed? See. 10th one, Boolean A equal to 1. Integer B equal to 2. Float C equal to A plus B. Is it valid? See in the first line only can give answer, no? So it is not valid. There is no Boolean in the operations you observe. It's an error. So Boolean A equal to 1. First line only error. So it is integer, it is assigned to Boolean, not valid. First line only error. So remaining line is also error. Even if it is true, also error here. Now first line error. If you write true here, this line error. Is it over? Some more questions I'll ask. Now, each and every line, each and every character you have to observe now. Each and every character. Characters also you have to observe. Okay. Identifiers, keywords, all required. Now, that type I'll give code snippet. 11th one. 11th one. Byte. True equal to 1. Short. False equal to 2. Int. Null equal to 3. Null equal to true plus false. System dot out dot println null. Valid or not valid? Not valid. Why it is not valid? True, false, null cannot be used as an identifier. But operation point of view, byte plus short result integer, integer assigned. That is actually valid. But identifiers, that reason not valid. Okay. True, false, and null cannot be used as an identifier. Write this one. Error because true, false, and null cannot be used as an identifier. Error because true, false, and null cannot be used as an identifier. So here variable name true I written. Here variable name false I written. Here variable name null I written. These all we cannot use as an identifier. That's what not valid. Is it over? Error because true, false, and null cannot be used as an identifier. Now, little bit change. 12th one. It is capital T. It is capital F. It is capital N. Here capital N. Here capital T. Here capital F. Valid or not valid? Now it is valid. This true is not reserved. This true is not reserved. You can use as identifier. So it is valid. What will be the output? 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Now true is a which type? Byte type. False which type? Short type. Byte plus short which type? Integer type. Integer assigned to which type? Integer type. Valid. Output 3. Is it over? So this true is not reserved. This true is not reserved. You can write. That's what it is valid. This false is not reserved. Null is not reserved. You can write. But when you write this true is a byte type, false is a short type, byte plus short integer type, integer assigned to integer valid. So output 1 plus 2, 3 comes. Okay. Now some identifiers only I'll ask. Give me answer. Boolean A equal to true. Is this line is valid? Only that line. Valid, no? Boolean B equal to true. Is it valid? Not valid. Boolean C equal to true. Is it valid? Not valid. Fourth. Boolean, okay. Integer true equal to 10. Not valid. That true you cannot use as identifier. Integer true equal to 20. Valid. Integer true equal to 30. So here this type true valid as a literal, but here this type of true not valid because it is identifier. Here literal. Here literal. True only you can assign to Boolean. This type true only you can assign. But this type true not valid here. This type true not valid here. But this type here not valid. These are allowed. Don't get confused. Literal place small true required. Identifier place that small true you cannot write. Okay. Confusion questions only, interview questions. Complicated questions only, interview questions. Write this one. So this true is a literal. True is a literal. Okay. This true is a literal. Literal place, you have to write like this only. It is literal. So valid. But this is not literal. This is not a literal. Not valid. But this true as a identifier, as a variable name, we cannot write. That's what here error. So write this type of true nothing but it is a literal. Literal place like that only you have to write. But this literal reserved, you cannot write as a variable name. Okay. That is the reason here error. Here valid. Is it over? So Boolean A equal to true. Now this true is a literal or variable? Literal. A is a variable. Nothing but identifier. Now this true not valid. Because this literal is not there. This literal is not there. You cannot write. Here this true already reserved. Can I use as identifier? That's what not valid. This one, yes. This one, yes. Okay. Now, this is about operations on data, identifier, keyword, these all. Tomorrow, you will see continuation. I'll explain one welcome program and then these all code snippets you can practice. One welcome program I'll explain tomorrow. With that knowledge, you can practice these code snippets which are valid, which are not valid. Okay. Tomorrow, you will see continuation. Be regular, every class important only.